enhancement and coordination, we have enough strength, enough wherewithal, enough sophistication to neuter that threat. And therefore, I remain very optimistic that we will succeed. A question was asked how many people we have brought to book. We have brought to book very many people. But you see, and I don't know whether, Chair, your committee has visited some of these areas. Should go and spend time there. The member from Wajir there, Mandera South, will tell you, if you spend a day or two in that area, your mindset will change forever. In this sense.
Before members visit there, you need your assurance. Yes, and the security.
It is part of Kenya. You should visit.
No, first of all,
you should visit.
I, being a committee member, Chair, in 2012, we did visit after the Gwari attack, and it was a very, very traumatizing situation.
You should visit so that you see where those teachers teach and yes, where they spend.
That's, you know, members can be a premium target for Al-Shabaab, so we need to.
I hope the teachers are not watching this proceedings. Yes. because, and I believe, Chair, with a lot of respect, that's where we go wrong. If our teachers are there, our members of parliament should go there. The minister must go there. Everybody must go there. Otherwise, we are telling our teachers that we have condemned them to go there and die. The reason I go to visit my officers there is because they are there, they are working there, so the minister must go there. And I expect every other person, heads of agencies, TSC heads, other people, the question should be, can we be facilitated to go there? The question should not be, we cannot go there, because then we are sending the wrong message to our teachers.
We are telling you,